Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do the finger. Okay, for this sample, for this blueprint, let's see. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. Okay, now go to your perspective view. Make sure you have this hand already. So then go to the edit poly, go to the edge here, edge, and then you need to hold button control CTRL, click on this one, hit this one, and then click on this one, these two, up and bottom, alright? Then right click, go to the connect here, click on the box. If you guys, if your blueprint have 4 fingers like this, then you need to put this one 3, so you have 4 boxes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then simply click OK. Now you can go to the polygon. Maybe you want to adjust this one first. Okay. Okay, something like this. Alright. Then now click polygon. Go to extrude. Okay, use bevel. Bevel. And again, bevel. And this one like this. Okay, and then this one bevel again. Let's make it longer. Okay, and then for this one, bevel again. It's shorter a bit. Okay, and then the last one, okay. This one, just like this. Okay, you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then just click on double smooth, and you will have 5 fingers. Okay, alright, that's all.